Producing premium children's board books, 3D pop-up books, and thick photo albums requires absolute precision. But if your pre-gluing folding process is slow and inconsistent, it's costing you time and money. Meet the solution, the model Ky-860A high-speed card folding machine from Kylin Machines. Designed specifically for folding single cardboard sheets, it is the ultimate pre-gluing preparation system for your production line. Whether you are working with greeting cards or thick board book pages, the Ky-860A handles it effortlessly. It accommodates paper thicknesses from 1/8 GSM all the way up to heavy 4/5 GSM cardboard, delivering sharp, perfect folds every single time. But here is what makes the Ky-860A a true game changer. It features a built-in spine pressing function. With easily adjustable pressure, this machine ensures that every single sheet receives uniform, powerful compression during the fold. The result? You completely eliminate the need for a separate spine pressing machine, saving you massive floor space and equipment costs. Speed and versatility are at the core of its design. With a paper feed width up to 680 millimeters and an adjustable production speed ranging from 0 to a staggering 170 meters per minute, this 220-volt powerhouse keeps your production flowing without bottlenecks. Because the folds are tightly pressed and flawlessly aligned, your downstream gluing and assembly processes become smoother, faster, and much more reliable. High speed, high precision, and incredibly simple to operate. Upgrade your bookbinding efficiency today. Contact Kylin Machines for a quote on the Ky-860A. Reach out to us on WhatsApp at 86-13,809,820,550 or visit our website in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more machinery innovations.